Those would be for the Sharp vaccination superstation centers in the South Bay here in Chula Vista, in the Grossmont Center Mall in La Mesa, and our clinic in the city of Coronado.
Palomar Health says it will be closed tomorrow but open Saturday to give out those Moderna vaccines. Scripps Health says it hasn't had to delay or cancel any appointments at this time. But the winter storms are not the only thing complicating our vaccine rollout. In the last few days, we have seen an uneven supply of doses. Our ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl is going in depth to explain the logistics.
This week, the vaccination center at Petco Park had to shut down for 3 days because a shipment of doses never arrived. But at the same time, Sharp Healthcare announced it had doses. Enough for 2,000 appointments at sites in La Mesa and Chula Vista. One county spokesman tells me the vaccine logistics are mind-boggling for 2 reasons. First, they're dealing with 2 vaccine makers. Some vaccine sites use Pfizer, some use Moderna, some use a mixture of both.
The Petco site is administering Moderna. The Chula Vista site is administering Pfizer. So when we miss a shipment of Moderna, then that impacts one site, that does not impact the other site.
The other reason is a little more complicated. San Diego County gets a certain number of doses from the state each week and distributes those doses to vaccination sites. Some of those sites are run by the county itself, others are run by healthcare providers like Sharp, Scripps, or UC San Diego. But those hospital systems don't just get doses from the county, they also get some doses directly from Pfizer and Moderna for their patients and staff. And sometimes they can shift things around.
We do, I will say, have generally very good cooperation with our healthcare providers. So they may get their own dosages for their internal use, and then we supply dosages when they're staffing a pod. But they've been very flexible and very willing to loan some of theirs to help bridge us through, and we have worked very, very collaboratively there.
These tangled supply chains are one reason why the state is turning over vaccine distribution to Blue Shield over the coming weeks. A county spokesman says they expect Blue Shield will consolidate things, so there are fewer steps in between the drug makers and the vaccination sites. But they don't have many details.
We don't know exactly what will happen. I think they understand our situation, and I think that they're certainly not going to try and disrupt a system that by and large is generally working. So, we'll just have to wait and see.
The Blue Shield takeover will happen in stages. The company will start calling the shots for San Diego March 7th. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.